Hello, we're MTE3544 Group D, and we would like to present our argument for the establishment of a manufacturing centre for Great Cell Solar in Bangkok, Thailand. Great Cell Solar has long been involved in both research and development of solar power technology, with the focus of becoming a world leader in sustainable energy solutions. Initially founded as Dysol Limited with a focus on the production of dye-sensitized solar cells and their related components, Great Cell was then reimagined to focus its resources on the newer perovskite technology as it emerged. Despite already being a key global supplier of perovskite compounds for use in third-generation solar cells, Great Cell more recently began development of its own perovskite-based cells. Due to these extremely thin and efficient materials, Great Cell Solar has invested in the production of both glass substrate cells, which are similar to established photovoltaic technology, as well as the development of steel-based cells. These steel solar panels are designed to fill a new market niche, building integrated solar cells. That is, rooftops and structural components of buildings can now be made to harness solar energy, where previously these locations were impractical and expensive to utilize in this way. Furthermore, the glass panels can also be integrated as transparent windows, turning the entire building into a solar power plant. This perovskite technology can be made relatively cheaply and at comparable efficiencies to more established solar cells, enabling them to compete with traditional forms of solar power. Thailand is a kingdom in Southeast Asia with a population in excess of 69 million persons in a land area that is smaller than that of New South Wales, resulting in a very high population density. This high population density and the ongoing industrialization and development of the country results in a very large energy demand for the country's natural resources are unable to meet. To increase the national energy independence and security, Thailand is pushing to adopt larger renewable energy capacity, including a higher level of solar power. Being a tropical nation, Thailand receives high levels of solar irradiance and is thus able to produce significant amounts of solar power. Great Cell has the opportunity to enter this attractive market where demand is expected to remain strong and consistent as the government actively strives to increase solar electrical production potential. Currently, the majority of solar power in Thailand comes from industrial government-scale installations, leaving rooftop and building integrated solar power as a largely untapped market. Due to the high population density and lower labour and rent costs as compared to Australia, opening a manufacturing centre in or around Bangkok would enable Great Cell an unprecedented opportunity to enter and dominate this market niche. Further, as an economic centre and port city, Bangkok serves as an entry and distribution point to other Southeastern Asian markets. This provides more opportunities for growth by significantly reducing costs associated with transport of finished products. In addition to these business incentives, as a part of its push towards developing more renewable energy resources, the Thai government has enforced other attractive incentives for renewable energy companies and projects, such as Great Cell Solar. These incentives include an 8-year corporate income tax exemption and an import duty exemptions on machinery. Early correspondence has also suggested that the government will offer further tax incentives and low-rent factory space to Great Cell specifically. These incentives would help to reduce both startup and production fixed costs, enabling Great Cell to begin turning a profit far sooner than otherwise possible, whilst still keeping prices affordable and competitive in the Southeast Asian markets. As can be seen, there are a great many benefits to establishing a new manufacturing centre in Bangkok, especially one geared towards the production of building integrated perovskite cells. New markets can be opened, entered, and dominated, all at a lower cost than if manufacturing was to occur elsewhere. Both Thailand and Great Cell would benefit greatly from this partnership and allow both to usher in a new era of green energy production and technology together. Now, if you have any questions, we'll gladly take them, and thank you very much for your time.